Welcome to Modeliks Forecast. Here, you will create your company's financial plan within Modeliks. In order to create your new forecast, you will simply need to fill out the 8 sections which you find in the banner: revenue, cost of goods sold, employees, expenses, assets, financing, taxes and working capital. Modeliks will guide you through each of these sections, step by step. If you need further help, each of these 8 sections has a dedicated video that will guide you through the process of creating your first financial plan. Once you have completed these 8 sections, you will have your forecast ready. On the right-hand side, you can view your automated financial statements with just one click. There you will find your profit and loss, your balance sheet and cash flow statement, as well as monthly and annual dashboard summaries of your forecast. In the Scenarios section, you can test your business by creating different scenarios and sensitivity analysis. When you click on Set Opening Balances, you can enter the opening balances of your balance sheet accounts. Opening balances are the existing balances of your assets, liabilities, and equity accounts at the start of your financial planning period. Modeliks is a powerful financial planning tool for small and medium-sized companies, as it allows you to build your financial plan based on the specific value drivers of your business. Make sure you watch the video Set Up Driver-Based Financial Models, in order to learn how to create financial models that allow you to truly manage and grow your business, and that impress investors and professional management. Enjoy planning with Modeliks.